Got some hooks on him. Look at the beard on him. The double beard. Triple beard. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh. I'm shaking some.
Well, thank you for blessing us immensely today.
Nice job.
Let's go, baby. That's right.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh.
That stupid bird.
Yeah, baby. That's what we're talking about. Yes, sirree. So we're back at it. We are just heading out to see if we can find some birds in a field and then watch them go to roost if we can. Brian shot one this morning, and we're hoping to get one tomorrow for Dad. Maybe myself. We'll see what happens. So hang with us. We're gonna see some birds tonight somewhere.
That's where they're at. You can see, I can see one or two.
Well, we just saw them fly up, so we're about ready to get after them in the morning. Next time you see us, it's going to be morning time, and these birds are going to be close. So stay with us.
Close enough.
What's that?
He was plenty close enough.
Oh, I know that. His back was facing toward me. Wow. There's a duck shoot out here. Well, let's go see what you got. That was fun. How about that hen coming in?
Oh yeah.
And like, did you get her?
I don't know if I got her because I was on the other birds too.
Really? Oh, that was so awesome. Right here in the decoy, she was like fluttering. So how long you been hunting these birds?
Since 1968.
Before I was born. Goodness, look at this thing. What a gorgeous bird. Well, we got one more down and hopefully we can get another one if I can hit it. I shot twice and missed twice. The first time he was moving, he was like jerking, and then the second time he was just standing there, but he was about 50 yards, but I still felt like he was coming up at me, and then I thought he was going to come a little bit further to the decoys, and then he turned and went after those hens, and I was like, well, I guess I'm gonna put it on him and pull the trigger.
He took the tail right off of that decoy.
I know. Man, did he whap that thing hard.
Pick it up.
We had a bird out here in the field. Dad shot one this morning, and now we're after another bird. Brian and Dad dropped us off, and we're heading in here to see if we can get a bird. So stick with us. We got a nice gobbler out here. Are you ready? Ready.
Yeah, baby.
Didn't miss that time, boys. Did not miss that time. I heard the key. He didn't like that.
No.
I was gonna wait till him.
I know, but I knew it was wet right here, and I was like, I've got him right now. And if he went that way too far,
Okay.
then he was behind some brush to me.
Okay. Yeah, he was gonna come all the way. I was gonna put him at 5 yards.
Yeah, I couldn't because where the Jake was, I didn't have a video.
Okay.
He's down. Rocked him in the head too, boys. Rocked him in the head. He's a nice bird too. Got nice spurs on him. I didn't want him to get in that water. He was going to the water. Yes. Dad shot one this morning. I missed twice. Oh. And able to get out here and call this bird in away from hens. And the key was that decoy right there. He got over the hill just enough. I crawled out there through the water. I am soaked to the bone. Did you get that on film? Me
Yeah,
crawling?
of course I got it on.
Oh my goodness, I'm soaked to the bone just to put that thing out on the edge. Because I knew if he crested that hill, he'd be able to see it.
I looked to
There's
my
nothing
right.
here. Look at
Yeah.
look at what's along this edge. Right here. There's no place to sit. No place to go. It's all water. We found the only little dry spot. And we're able to get in there and shove a decoy out on the edge and call. Got some hooks on him.
Yep.
Nice bird. Look at the beard on him. The double beard. Triple beard.
Oh,
Are you
wow.
kidding me?
Oh boy.
Are you kidding me?
Oh boy. Oh boy.
4 beards. I kid you not, 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beards on this bird. 4 of them. Oh my goodness. I have never shot a bird with 4 beards on it. Oh my God. 4 individual beards. Every one of them is an individual beard. This one's no joke right here. This one. This one. And then one up above it. 4 beards.
Call Dad and tell him what you got there.
Yeah, I missed that bird just so I could shoot a 4 bearded bird. Ha! Hello?
Yeah, you probably want to walk back up to the woods. You probably don't want to walk through that mud.
Oh, I think it's all right. It's pretty dry out here. Right here. Yeah. This bird has 4 beards on him, Dad. 4 beards. I kid you not.
That bird did not strut at any time until he started down the field toward you. And when he went into a strut, I said, he's gonna die.
And he did. I shot through a gap that was probably, I don't know, 4 inches wide. Because Brian keyed and the bird picked his head up and was like, I don't think so, I don't like something. And I was like, well, I guess it's now or never. So I pulled the trigger on him and he went in a heap. I rocked his head.
I saw it. I saw him go down.
Nothing like carrying a bird over your shoulder on the way out to the truck. Dad's waiting at the truck for us, so we're heading back. You got 4 beards, boys.
What happened, Brian? Just ran out here on this knoll right here and called. Bird hammered it over here in the left. We got to get there. He hammered me. Here, 1. That's quarter struck. Get right on this pathway down here. Right on the hedgerow right here to start with. He wasn't that far. Shadows here somewhere. It's right over here. Straight this way.
He's in the field. He'll come around, right? There's wide open woods to us. Watch that bank. Boy, it's really open. It's really open. How far away was he? Can you set this decoy out? You look really good right here. Where is he to you? Right down your barrel. Yep. I think I can put that Jake out. Or better put that in out. There's more than one. They're on that bank. I'm just gonna shut up a minute and see what they do. Down a little bit now. It's like right over the mound, right past that pine. He's coming.
Yeah, baby. That's what we're talking about. Yes, sirree.
3-bird day right there.
Woo! Yes, baby. Number 2 in New York. Down. Boy, did we smoke him. Woo! He could see that hen sitting right there, but he didn't want to. He wanted her to move towards him. Man, we had a good spot right there, hid in that shadow. Man. Ah. Woo! Yeah, baby. Come through for us again. Heard that bird gobble from up on the field. Oh yeah, we turned his lights out. Oh man.
Wow, what a hunt. That was intense there for a little bit because I could not see him until the
you
end.
kept saying, what's he doing? He's strutting. That's what he's doing.
I couldn't see him.
I know, but I couldn't stand it. I didn't want to say anything either.
Wow. Wow.
Walked down the top of that knoll up there, hit the call, man. He hammered it. I run back. I thought Curtis was probably thinking I was joking.
No, no, because I knew you weren't going to run like that unless you were serious.
Well, let's see what he's got here.
We got us a bird down, boys. Number 3 of the day.
Once again, Rolling Thunder game calls. Hunter Wallace. Thank you, Hunter, for these calls. Look at that.
Oh, yeah. Hold him. He's yours.
Oh, he's probably an 18 pounder.
Yeah. What a beautiful
18,
bird.
19 pounder.
Look at that beard. That's a 10-inch beard. Man. What a beard. I mean, it's not a 4-beard like I got, but I mean,
Oh, just keep it up. Keep it up. How rare is that to get a 4-beard, you know?
yeah, I mean, oh man, congratulations. Dad shot one. I shot one. You shot one.
3-bird day.
It's a 3-bird day. Oh.
It's in the zone today, buddies. They are talking today. I couldn't be happier with this bird. There is nothing, I mean, it's amazing to get them off the roost and everything, but I want to tell you, it puts you in panic mode when all of a sudden you step out and you're 75 yards away from the truck, and all of a sudden the bird gobbles. And he's not that far. It's hustle time then, baby. It's like get there and get there now.